If you want to record your desktop for free, VLC is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to record your screen using VLC, step by step. And by the end, you'll know how to start, stop, and save your recording properly. This is a great method if you want a lightweight option without downloading complicated screen recorder software. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Now let's jump in. First, open VLC on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, make sure to download and install the latest version first because the screen recording feature is built right into the app. Once VLC is open, look at the top left corner and click on Media. From that menu, choose Open Capture Device. This is where VLC lets you select different types of input sources, including your desktop. After the Capture Device window opens, go to the Capture the Device tab if it isn't already selected. Here you'll see a setting called Capture Mode. Click the drop-down menu and change it to desktop. This tells VLC that you want to record everything happening on your screen instead of using a webcam or another video source. Next, look for the Options section. Here, you'll need to enter your desired frame rate, sometimes shown as desired frame rate for the capture. A higher frame rate usually looks smoother, while a lower frame rate can save a little file size. For most basic screen recordings, a standard frame rate works well, but you can choose the number that fits your needs. Once your capture mode and frame rate are set, do not click play yet. Instead, look at the bottom of the window and find the small drop-down arrow next to the play button. Click that arrow and choose convert. This is the important step that tells VLC to save your desktop recording into a video file instead of just previewing it live. Now the convert window will open. This is where you choose exactly where your video will be saved and what format it will use. Click browse, then select the folder where you want your recording to go. Give the file a clear name, like myrecording.mp4, so it's easy to find later. After that, make sure the profile is set to a video format such as MP4 or web. MP4 is usually the safest option because it works on most devices and platforms. When everything is set, click Start. At this point, VLC may minimize or run in the background, and it will begin silently recording whatever is happening on your desktop. You can now open apps, browse websites, create tutorials, or do anything else you want to capture. Just remember that VLC is recording continuously until you stop it, so make sure your screen is ready before you begin. When you're finished recording, bring the VLC window back into view, then click the stop button, which looks like a square icon. That tells VLC to end the capture session and finalize the video file. Once you stop the recording, VLC will automatically save the file to the destination folder you selected earlier, so you don't need to export it separately. And that's it. You've just learned how to record your desktop using VLC for free. It's a simple method, it's built into software many people already have, and it's perfect for quick screen recordings, tutorials, and basic demonstrations. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.